So it all started like this. I was on my daily routine, eating, sleeping, binging, and repeating. Until one day, between my 7 2 hours of gameplay, my father came and
Hey you! Get off that screen now! Get off that screen now!
then I was sitting and an idea struck my mind. Then I decided to make a board game. Oh, not that board. Board! So first I made a rough layout of the game and this is how it looks. Then I made some rules and redesigned the game in Photoshop. I added pictures from the internet and added graphics in my board game so as to make it more professional. I also used chests and goblins pictures in the board game so that it will look very dynamic and royal, just like Dungeons and Dragons. I also made a currency in my game and added my picture to the currency. You can see what I'm doing in the time lapse. I made the set of rules on a parchment paper and printed it. The result was, to be very honest, really cool. As for the board game, this is the final layout. My friends and family liked it very much. Here is how the whole game looks after printing. I also added avatars such as wizard, thief, sheriff, as well as a paladin. We enjoyed playing very much. Also, I would like to say that we should not waste our time playing video games for too long, for example 4-3 hours. I think half an hour should be sufficient for playing video games. Also, in this period of lockdown, we cannot go out. So, I request you to stay home and stay safe. Thank you for watching.